Logan students, and welcome to another lesson using Autodesk Inventor 2022. It's based on the server. This time we're going to make the construction set screw. Without further ado, let's begin. As is customary, navigate to your Google Classroom. If you've been assigned this assignment, you can find in the Classwork tab the Cameo assignment, and there's a link there to open up the Autodesk Inventor interface. When you open it, it should say preparing. You should be prepared to close and restart several times to get the interface to open for you. This was my third attempt. You can see it says connecting now. When you see the start working button, click. Then move your cursor to the right where you see this X. Click it to close the interior window. You don't need it. What you're going to do is start new, standard IPT, create. When you see the browser on the left, you know you're good to go. Start 2D Sketch. And make sure you always start with the XY plane. Click. I'm going to use a line as my central axis. You can click on the origin and go straight up. And as you're going up, just type 2 on the keyboard and then enter. Remember, you can use your middle mouse wheel as a pan tool. So I'm panning down. And you're going to go over to the right, 0.5. Enter. And you're going to go down 0.5. Enter. And you're going to go to the left, 0.375. Enter. Then you're going to continue to the bottom. Click. And then finish your profile at the origin. Click. Now at this point, you can revolve it using the finish sketch and then use the revolve tool. If you've done it right, the profile will show in blue. Make sure the angle, it says 360 degrees. You merely have to select the axis that you want it to revolve around. So select the central axis, and there you've created the basic shape. Okay. Now you can start by going to the Start a 2D Sketch, select the top of the screw. You can use a rectangle to cut a slot. So I recommend you making your rectangle similar to what you've seen here. Use your dimension tool to select the origin and this top line and type in 0.1. Check. Select this origin, select the bottom, click, type 0.1. Finish sketch, extrude. You want a Boolean cut, and the dimension depth should be 0.125. Okay. Now you can select the thread tool and select the central peg. Click OK. You can use the chamfer tool. Change the distance to 0.0625. Select the top. And also at the bottom, you can make your screw pointy. Don't forget to apply your chamfer and close the window. And there you have a screw for your construction set. You want to use the default materials list, and you can change to whatever color you so choose. In my case, I feel, how about a smooth dark green? And also here, I'm going to select this central peg and just change the material to the yellow pine. At this point, I want to save it. So I select File, Save As. Remember, you want to be saving it in your construction set folder. Don't forget this folder here with an arrow. That can help you navigate. As you can see, you can go up one level, and then you'll find your G drive. Double click it. Find your construction set folder. Double click it. You can rename it Screw Green. And you can make several colors. Save. For instance, instead of the smooth green, we could change it to purple. There we go. File, Save As. See, you're going to screw purple and save. It's nice to have various screws. It's not mandatory. At this point, you want to select File, Export, Image, change the type to PNG, screw purple PNG, save. That's the image you're going to want to turn in for assignment credit. Good luck.